Do you have the right people but the wrong skills in your organization? Many employees and organizations are really worried that they're not ready for the future with all the technology changes that are coming, and they're not sure how to prepare. According to Deloitte's 2019 Global Human Capital Trend Report, 38% of survey respondents expect to eliminate certain jobs due to automation over the next 3 years, and many more roles are being transformed. And 90% of survey respondents said that they are redesigning jobs, and 54% of all employees will require significant reskilling. So how do we identify the skills for the future workforce? Well, probably you guessed it, data and analytics, and also taking a page out of the marketing playbook. So you can start with the analysis of existing skills and skills needed to obtain growth and revenue targets. So you can look at interviews, job requirements, actual performance, reviewing industry trends and research. And then you'll identify content that is already in place that can be linked to those skills. If you're missing content, you would then create or curate it as needed. And then you map that content to the employee's needs to actually create a personalized learning experience. And here you might want to use learner personas, group your learners into ideal learners, looking at what kind of content resonates with them. And lastly, link those training offerings to performance incentives to create a true learning culture. So if you want to get started with this today, I suggest to look at one training program, break it down into smaller pieces, see the content that you have available in there, look at the data that you get from it, how often has it been used, how often has it been touched, and then really go back to the skills that you have in your organization and see how you can map the two. And this way you should have a great starting point to reskill your workforce.